Hi everyone, in this video I'll guide you through troubleshooting and fixing the answering machine on your BTEC DECT 6.0 phone. Let's tackle the issue step by step and get it working again. Turn on the answering system, delete old messages to free up memory, adjust ring settings to avoid conflicts and disable voicemail if needed. Why VTEC DECT 6.0 phone answering machine not working? Answering system is turned off, memory is full or low, incorrect ring settings conflict with voicemail, power or phone, line connection issues, improper setup or greeting configuration. Fix 1. Ensure the answering system is turned on. Turning on the answering system ensures calls are answered and messages are recorded. Press ANS on or off on the telephone base to activate the answering system. The base should display ANS says on and announce call will be answered. Fix 2. Check for memory capacity. Deleting old messages free up memory if the system is full, allowing it to function properly. If the memory is full, the telephone base or a handset will display REC memory full and the system will announce memory is full. Delete old messages to free up space. Method 1. Delete message in remote. Dial your home telephone number from any touch tone phone. Wait for the system to play your announcement. Enter the 2-digit remote access code. Default is 19. Use commands. Press 1 to play all messages. Press 2 to play new messages. Press 3 to delete the current message during playback and press 3 to delete all old messages. Hang up when done. Method 2. Delete message using handset. Press menu when idle. Scroll to answering says, then select scroll to delete all old, then select confirm with select again. Screen shows deleting, then no old messages with confirmation tone. If no old messages exist, the system announces or screen display accordingly. Method 3 on telephone base. Press menu when idle, scroll to answering says, then select scroll to delete all old, then select confirm with select again. Here confirmation tone, all old messages deleted. Fix 3. Verify number of rings. Adjusting the number of rings ensures that the answering system picks up before voicemail or other system interfere. Press menu on the handset when idle. Press up or down arrow to answering system, then select, then ANS says setup, then select. Choose hatch of rings, then select pick 2 or 4, then select save with confirmation tone. Set provider voicemail ring higher 5 or 6 to avoid conflicts. Fix 4. Update voicemail settings if applicable. Using the voice guide help verify and correct setup issues like greeting, recording, and alert tones. If using voicemail from your provider, disable the built-in answering system by pressing ANS off and ensure voicemail settings are configured correctly. Fix 5. Reset remote access code. Resetting the remote access code resolve issues with accessing messages remotely. If accessing remotely, confirm or reset the security code via menu. Press up and down button to answering says, then answer says setup, then remote code. Enter any 2-digit remote code from 0 to 99. Press select to save the changes. Fix 6. Test the call screening feature. Disabling voicemail avoids conflict between the provider, voicemail, and the phone's answering system. Enable or disable call screening via menu. Press up or down between to answering says, then ANS says setup, then go to call screening and verify if incoming messages can be heard. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.